Today, I'm going to show you how to create a sales order, and then we're going to turn that sales order into a packing slip. We're going to turn that packing slip into an invoice. Finally, we're going to pay the order out, and then we're going to view a receipt. And so I'm going to go ahead and get started by making a sales order. And since there's already a video of this, I'm going to go through it relatively quickly. We'll click on Customer Care, and Order. We're going to add a customer to this order. Now we're going to add an item. I'm going to choose a random item. I'm going to fill in some random information just so I can recognize this order later. Add and continue. Now we can close this window safely. And we'll click Submit. Now we're going to create the packing slip. And to do that, we're going to go ahead and click on Supply Chain Management, followed by Inventory. Lastly, we're going to click on Pick List. Now we're going to search for the customer we just made that order for. We're going to click Display. As you can see, this is the order right here. And so to create the packing slip, we'll click right here and select to pack, followed by Packing Slip. Now we have created a packing slip box that will be able to create an invoice or packing slip. For the demonstration purposes, we're going to click Packing Slip and Submit. Do you want to continue? Now a new window pops up and we have an option to download this packing slip. So we'll go ahead and close that. Now we want to convert our packing slip into an invoice. So what we'll do is, since it already exists, we'll click on Packing Slip. Now we'll search for the customer and we'll search by transaction number. As you can see right here, this is the most recent transaction. So we'll go ahead and click that one. The numbers match up. And to create the invoice for this packing slip, we're going to go ahead and click on Preview. An invoice has been created. Okay. And now we have the option to save it. So I'll go ahead and click Save. I'll show you what this looks like. As you can see, this is our packing slip and invoice. So we'll go ahead and make sure that this invoice is indeed there. So we'll go to Financial Accounting, followed by Invoice List. And now we want to sort by transaction. To generate this, we'll click Generate. And as you can see, by the date and the numbers, this is my most recent inventory invoice. So there's a few different things we can do here, such as email it, which will attach this invoice directly to the email, and you can do this directly within the system. You can preview it. There's various other things we can do. But we'll go ahead and close this window for now. So we want to go ahead and pay this order out. So we're going to go ahead and do the quick way of going back to Customer Care. And as you can see, our order right here is visible. We just make sure everything is correct, which it does, and we click Pay Now. So now we're going to go ahead and fill in some information just to get this order paid. This is just for demonstration purposes. We'll click Submit. And now we can confirm this order has been paid by closing this window. We'll go back to Financial Accounting. And now we can click on Receipt List. And just like Invoice, we're going to sort by transaction. And click Generate.